Hi friends, I am Rakesh and welcome to Graphic Teacher channel. In today's lecture, I am going to show you how to edit video in Adobe Photoshop. This video going to be part 1 of this series. Like including me, I use like Adobe Premiere, After Effects, Final Cut Pro for professional editing. But what happens when you don't have these softwares and only have Photoshop? So not to worry, I am going to show you similar kind of editing in Photoshop itself. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So let's get started.
Graphic Teacher.
I am going to File, Open. I have this video collection already. I open first video in Photoshop. So it's automatically comes in timeline. This is a timeline. If you not have timeline on, you can go to Windows and timeline on and off from here. So I am making on again. This is zoom in, zoom out toolbar. This is 30 frame per second video, and this is the time code. This shows exactly where is your cursor, and this is frame by frame, and this shows what resolution your video is playing. You have to keep it 50 only, because if you keep it 100 it will get stuck, or 25 very hazy. 50 is enough, proper. And I'm going to end of the clip. When you click on that button, it shows duration of the clip. This is 38.7 seconds duration. The speed is 100%. If I make it speed in 50%, duration get double, 77.41 seconds, exactly double the duration. So I want 100% speed right now, or natural speed, and here the audio settings also, which I tell you in next lecture. So I'm going to keep it as it is on 100% speed. Okay. If you want to add more video clips in this timeline next to the first video, you don't have to go to file again and again. You just go to the icon of this media icon and click and just add media. So once you click, go to the rest of the videos. I am selecting all three together and open. See, all my other three medias coming next to one another. Alright, this is all 4 videos in timeline. I want each video into 5 seconds clip, so I am going to time code and double click. Where see, my cursor is on 4.29 seconds it is showing, but I make it to 5 seconds. Okay, this is exactly on 5 seconds. I am going to a scissor icon and click it. 5 seconds clip is ready. Drag it there or make it upper side on the layers. It directly goes to end clip, or you can manually drag to last clip. So whichever you like it. I'm going to on 10 seconds, 10, okay, and cut again on clicking on scissor icon. Same thing I am putting very end. Same with duck, but this duck video I want to make it little like slower, because the camera moving very fast. So I make it nearly 60% of the speed. Okay, and which is exactly the 6.1 second, it goes to nearly 10 second maybe, right? This is now that clip increased to 10 second, and I am going to source again time code and 10 seconds 15 seconds, sorry, 15 seconds 00, which is a third clip into 5-second clip. Same thing, moving layer to upward means pushed on an end clip. You can do it with every clip, which is now 20:00. Okay, and cut. So now my 4 clips are ready in 5 seconds duration. You can hide the layers clicking on I button, or delete all those layers, so you will get exactly your clips. For right now I don't require those clips, so instead of hiding the clips, I delete those. Sequence is ready. I just increase the zoom in timeline. Each clip, if you play, suddenly playing another clip, so I want to just give a transition. I show you all 5 transitions one by one. I start from fade. I am just dragging fade transition between those clip, drag and leave on center part, so it's divided. Like it means fade means in end of the clip it's going fade out, and next clip starting from fade in. And you can change the duration to 1 second. Means I am just deleting this clip and again dragging on a same clip. See, now it's half a second fade out and a half second fade in, right? This is more smoother than previous one. And on second clip I show you different variation. Means I want to show you all the fade effect, so on a next clip I show you the next option. I show you cross fade on a next clip. Remember this cross fade. See, this cross fade make your length 1 second shorter, because this cross fade is overlap each other by 1 second. Your crossfade second is 1 second, so it's overlapping each other. This is different than all other fade. See, now it's on 9 second and between 10 second. Look at this effect. I play once again to show you. Nine to 10 second, it's fading from 9 second. If you check that your overall clip is moved on 14 second, previously on 15 second before adding this effect, because this effect need overlap of 1 second. Showing you the fade with black. Fade with black is merge with black and fade in with black. I want to increase the clip numbers because there are 5 effects. I am just increasing the clip numbers, so I show you all the fade in effects together. So here it is, 5-second video, and going to this is, you can access from here, 5.00, right? And I am just adding next one, fade with white. and in the end I just delete that previous effect and copy. You can copy and paste it here. Just go to end of the clip, increase the clip, shorten the clip from left side because that is already used. This is unused clip, and same thing, delete the fade in effect from the previous effect. Just add fade with color. You have an option, take any color whichever you like, means whichever your brand color you can use that, or you can use any color which suits your image. See, it's fade out with green and fade in from green. I just correct the color with any grayish color. I take the MacBook color, perfectly gel with picture, and here it is perfectly in center. I place that fade with color. Yeah, see, this is perfectly fine, and this perfectly fine. Once like we play and check where it is, how it is looking. Like overall fill is very fine. See that cross fade, fade with black, fade with white, and this is fade with color, which I edited with gray. Next part, which is second part, in that I'm going to show you how to add a music with transition and how to edit music in Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. I will come to know what I'm missing to teach you. Thank you very much. Keep learning, stay home, be safe in this lockdown.
Graphic teacher.